Demonstrating how to train your man.
Train your man? Man.
David,
Hey, Gage. Hey, what's up?
back up 4 steps.
I'm good. 4 steps.
Okay, David, sit.
I'm good. I'm standing. I'll sit down. That hurts really bad. Seriously.
It's only at number 1. Okay,
Hey, seriously, don't kill me.
David.
You're trying to kill my
David,
heart.
stand up.
I'm good. I'll stand up.
Okay, David.
Attitude
Watch
adjustment.
by the beer without having a sip.
No problem.
Don't drink it.
No.
Just say no. You cannot have the beer.
You know you
But
want
it's
the
right
damn
there.
beer.
I
Grab
know.
the
Do
freaking
not-
beer,
do
David.
not drink the beer.
You won't, David.
Grab the
Don't
beer.
drink
Drink
it.
it. You're a
Before
man.
you
David.
shock
You're a
me,
man.
let me have some beer.
Okay,
Grab
no.
the beer.
You cannot have it.
No. You're gonna hurt me.
Okay, come back without drinking the beer.
No.
Please don't. You're doing it.
No, don't do it.
I'm doing it. It's taking me down.
Put the
I'm
beer
drinking.
down.
I'm drinking.
Put the beer down. David, put the beer down.
I won't do
I
it.
mean, I have to put you up.
I'll die.
I'm taking it up. Okay, here's a warning.
I'll take your dog with me. No!
Okay, lay on the ground. He's drinking the beer.
He can't have my beer.
Gage says, I feel your pain.
No!